Hello guys, and welcome back to today's video. My name is Zig, the programming guy. In today's video guys, I want to show you how to create public profile on Snapchat. Alright, so once you have an account on Snapchat, this is how you can create a public profile on Snapchat. Go ahead and open your Snapchat app, click on your avatar icon at the top left corner. Then from here, just scroll down to this point where you're going to find create public profile. Click on that, and right here you're going to find the continue button at the bottom. Go ahead and click on that, and then click on the get started at the bottom. Now it says create. Now you have to read this information. It says by creating a public profile, you will show your name on any snaps you have ever posted to Spotlight or Snap Map, any lens you've made, and the marked as searchable will also appear on your public profile. Alright, go ahead and click on create, and then you've created your public profile. Now if you tap on that option once more, then you're going to find your public profile right here. You see, you find your name, the number of your subscribers, and also your stories you've uploaded so far on Snapchat. So guys, this is how you can create a public profile on Snapchat. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, give this video a like and equally subscribe to get more tips like this.